Hi, my name is Antoinette Hargrove Duke, and I am the Director of Career and Technical Training Academy. The mission of the Goodwill training program is to provide hands-on training for our clients. Our clients are able to participate in a 4-week training program that gives them real-life experience. And what we hope to do by having our clients participate in this program is to get them ready, to get them prepared. Even in spite of some of the employment barriers that our clients may encounter, our job is to prepare them for the real world experience through this construction program. This training program is actually free for all of our clients. And from the sales of our donated goods, then we are able to support the mission of the training program. Typically, because of some of the barriers that they encounter, being a part of this program actually gives them a second chance. And for many of them, it is the first opportunity that they have in completing a program. The story behind the aerial lift is actually our maintenance department have been using the aerial lift for about 5 years. And over the years, the wear and tear of the tool, they were unable to use it. And so our team got together to figure out how can we connect with some of our nonprofit agencies, some of our partners, to figure out who would be willing to help us either purchase another one or maybe get this fixed, because this aerial lift would be included into our 4-week training program. And so because there was a need, Bailey Company stepped up and addressed the need that we have to use this tool. The partnership started between Goodwill Industries of Middle Tennessee and Bailey years ago. Last year in 2024, we were looking to expand our forklift safety training program. And we knew that having another tool to incorporate into the program would be a great asset for our clients. So we reached out again to Bailey and they stepped up to the call. Now, this aerial lift is a part of the construction program, which falls in line with our forklift training program through our construction department. The importance of community support and partnership is, we all know that many hands makes a job a lot lighter. And for our clients, as we mentioned, some of them, this is the first time that they've actually accomplished something. After the 4 weeks, they go through this graduation program. And with our employer partners, with our nonprofit agencies that believe in the mission of Goodwill, which is changing lives through education, training, and employment, the more partnerships that we have, the better prepared and equipped that we can be throughout the industry with giving our clients another opportunity, another chance to use the skill sets that they have in this construction program and to secure a position in the real world. These trainings give our clients the confidence that they need, and we're so grateful for the partnership that we have with Bailey, and we're thankful for the repairs that were done in order to enhance our forklift safety training program.